song.
Josh could do it that way, and I'll do it this way.
Okay, go.
Song, Mom.
Oh, you have a new song? Okay.
Josh, come on my house, because you can see my mom. Okay. Pretty much. How much I love you. How much I love you. How much I love you. Go.
Oh, okay.
No, get the end right here. Get those ends. Those. No, get this one then. That's how it.
How about, hey Karen, how about the song Bingo? B-I-N-G-O, and Bingo was his name? There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B